Today I will teach you how to create billing invoice in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Once you've entered, we need to go to the Customer module at the left side. Click the arrow beside it, two categories will appear. Click the Services category. Click Billing Invoice. Then click the plus button above. After clicking, an empty field will appear that you'll need to fill. First, we'll type in the name of the customer. The bill number. The date of issuance. The next step is to input the type of product. At this example I will set the services we recently encoded in the current tutorial. Click Enter. Input the amount of the services below the rate section at the right side. And assign the withholding tax to the required percentage tax collection. Then click the Calculate button for computation. Once it's calculated, proceed to the account details. Select accounts receivable if the services that is offered is not yet paid. But if it is already paid, choose cash on hand. I will presume that it is not yet paid. So, I'll set it to account receivable. Choose the first option of other income, as it matches the type of services we've input. After all is filled, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.